everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 923 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have this e.l.f. highlighting pearl paint in the shade Gold Star, and oh my gosh, does that sound fun. But you know what makes this even better? The fact that I found this at the Dollar Tree, so it only cost $1. As you probably know, I love a Dollar Tree find and I love trying out Dollar Tree makeup products, especially e.l.f. Dollar Tree makeup products. They are usually so great, and of course they are cruelty free. So my Dollar Tree only had this one shade, this Gold Star shade, when I was at the dollar store. And it's supposed to be a face highlighter to give a dewy glow to the face, which sounds great. I'm not so sure how this shade will work for my skin tone. I think when I saw this at the store, I thought it was a lip gloss, but it's got a little squeezy too. Basically looks like it could be a lip gloss. But I'm gonna start out by just doing a little swatch. Ooh, some oil just squeezed out of it. Ooh, it's very watery. Makes it seem like maybe it's an older product. Like it needs to be shaken up. Makes me a little nervous. So be careful if you got this at the Dollar Tree that you don't squeeze out the little oil everywhere. Yeah, it is definitely separated. I don't know if it's separated or if that's just how it's supposed to be, because I am mixing it up on the back of my hand and it is not looking any different. It's got like gold liquid with like an orange cream in it. This is something. This might be a dollar store dud. And it's definitely a mess right now. But I'm trying it out. So I'm gonna just, I squeezed a bunch onto the back of my hand to see if like it would get better. I mean, these products don't have dates on them or anything. I feel like this might be an old product, but okay. I'm just gonna take a little bit from my back of my hand onto my finger and just kind of tap it onto the face. Oh gosh, it's seriously, some of it looks gold and some of it looks orangey. But it actually is really pretty. It's got beautiful shimmer and it's blending out nicely. I can see that it might be a little too dark for my skin tone because it is leaving visible bronziness, but if I kind of apply it where I apply bronzer, surprised by how blendable it is and how great it actually is sitting on top of my makeup. Like that does not actually look bad. I'm gonna add even more. It is buildable. And this orangey shade can actually work on my skin tone as a bronzer blush type of effect. That looks kind of nice. I really thought this was going to turn out terribly, but it's not. It looks really good on my makeup and on my skin. And it definitely added some healthy, dewy glow to my face. Even though the texture of this scared me when I squeezed it out, the texture of it on my face is really beautiful. So I was thinking that this wasn't going to be a good shade for me, but I am really liking it as a bronzy, glowy blush. Look at that, it just gave so much life to my skin and to my makeup. Wow, who would have thought this mess would turn to this beauty on the skin? Now I feel like I wasted a lot of product squeezing it onto my hand like this, because I actually really like it. It looks super smooth and it looks so glowy. It has a gold sheen, but it doesn't have chunky glitter. So this is exactly the type of glowy product I like to wear. You know what? Like, I'm seriously probably going to, I know this looks so gross, sorry I keep showing it to you, but I'm probably gonna use this as a body highlighter because I really like it and I don't wanna waste this. Like, seriously, look at that beautiful radiance and sun-kissed effect on my skin right now. I am blown away by this. I love a pleasant surprise from a makeup product, especially when it's a dollar store makeup product. So you know what? I would recommend this. I will definitely keep using this as a face kind of bronzy blush highlighter all in one, a 3-in-1, and as a body highlight. So this turned into a very successful product. So I'm really glad that I was doing a dedicated video on this product so that I actually was able to find out how much I really love it. I can't stop looking at my skin in the mirror. It just looks so good. Like, this is how I want my makeup and my skin to look all the time. It looks sun-kissed, it looks glowy, it looks healthy, it just looks so good. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video. And by the way, tomorrow is my birthday, so I'm really excited for that video.